Your troop will be able to make a selection as to where you want to pick up your products, your nut and chocolate items, when those are available. Upon logging into the M2 system, you'll be prompted to make this determination. If you don't know what you want now, you can always skip and come back later. You'll be able to choose from a drop-down menu of available sites. Be sure to check the address and location to make sure it's convenient for you. Once you make your selection, you'll then see the available dates and times for picking up your products. Make your selection and choose Save and Continue. If you need to make an adjustment to your pickup location, simply choose Manage Troops and Girl Scouts, click on the plus sign, select Product Pickup from the drop-down menu, and you can make any necessary adjustments. There will be a cutoff time for making this determination prior to the council submitting the council-wide nut order. So be sure that you're aware of what that date is and make your selections accordingly.